What's going on, guys? So just got in to Miami. It's a little bit past 12:30 right now, so it's a little bit late. So gonna try to get some food and then hopefully get some rest before a long day of cooking tomorrow. But I'm excited to meet some new people, to cook with some new people, and do something new. So that when this idea was first brought up to cook this thing, it was really interesting because I've never done it before, and so it'll just be fun just to do something different, and again, just being able to travel a little bit to cook barbecue is never something that I thought I would be able to do. But anytime new opportunities like that come up, it's always super cool and super humbling. So I'm excited for tomorrow. And again, like I said, there's gonna be some new guys that I haven't met before this weekend. So hopefully we'll be able to do some more stuff together in the future. I'm gonna get some food, get some sleep, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, okay. All right, we got the 1,000-gallon. You got the crew. You got the man Guga over here. Get ready to get that cow going. Let me move this entire 450-pound piece.
448. Crazy.
Off in that trailer. This table. Oh my God.
Gosh.
Guga, what do you think, man?
This is insane,
This
right?
is insane.
You think it's crazy? Wow.
It takes to make it big on YouTube right here.
I have to have somebody hold that so it doesn't fall, right?
Do you want to cut down here and around and cut all that, or do you want to cut right here and do this part? I would cut down through here and cut right there.
Yeah, I would agree. Yeah.
And
I
then
think
you
it would
can
look
have
nicer.
just this right here.
Boom. There we go. Perfect.
There you go.
All of a sudden, that smoker don't look that big.
It's a lot of beef right there.
Oh yeah. Pallbearers. Yeah.
As an appetizer, we're gonna do a 4-hour brisket. These Gateway smokers over here. It's pretty sweet. We're back at these 3 pits. Tim. Oh yeah. Ribs and a tomahawk.
I'll give her a hard steer in your fire basket over there.
Beautiful.
Oh my
We
God.
got some shimmy over here. Is that what's going on?
Yeah, we made some chimney. All right, let's do it.
There you go.
A little chimney.
Dude,
Yeah.
look at that.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, and they got so much more.
Ooh. Look at that, dude.
We're charring tortillas on it. Sun's out, baby.
Okay, okay. Am I not allowed to record these secrets or what?
Already has them. You gonna put any tallow in there? Grab it. Why not?
Why not, dude? You got it. Might as well.
I bet it is. I believe that. You know what I found out? My wife's skin moisturizer.
Good.
Tallow.
Yeah.
Candles. Yeah, they're going crazy.
Yeah. This here looking better.
Now, do you change between what association you're cooking in?
Not typically. No.
He pretty much cooks the same way he cooks in
Yeah.
KCBS and IDCA.
All right. And boom. That is ridiculous.
Yeah, hold on.
Man, we're getting there.
Good already. That's what
We're getting there.
Up in here we got 165, which will be good if we get like 170. You can chop it and mix it with the real tender stuff.
Yep. Yep. And
I don't think we're
going
gonna get
until
what a brisket's gonna be.
Right.
Tim, tell the people a little bit about your pig here.
That's a Mangalitsa Duroc crossed pig, 330 pounder we got on here. Put it on at 4 o'clock this morning.
Wow.
Dude, it is sizzling.
You got half a cow and a freaking pig, dude. This is the most ridiculous thing ever. Oh yeah, breakfast queso. Oh yeah.
We want to make some nachos.
Hey, this is a guy everyone needs to know right here, man. MVP of the day. MVP.
Oh, we got eggs and sausage over there already.
All right, we're Ballistic Barbecue right here. I used to watch this guy on YouTube when I was younger.
You used to?
Still do.
Okay, good.
Still do.
You're the one person that does that, and I'll be checking you out. I'm
Perfect.
expecting big things.
Oh gosh. What are we working on right here?
Gonna make. People always think of green chimichurri when they think of Argentina. When
Yeah.
they think of chimichurri, but
Yeah.
they don't realize there's also a red chimichurri.
Sweet.
It's actually my favorite. so
Awesome.
I'm gonna make a red chimichurri.
Looking forward to it, man.
We got enough beef for that, you know.
Yeah. Your video forced me to do math today.
Oh, for how much you needed to
Because I
make?
normally make it to serve about 8. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's hard to judge how much you're gonna make to serve
Is
about 150.
is just. I didn't think about it.
Alright. Got that going over there. Got the cow going over there. We got the hog going over here. Freaking playground.
Never, man.
Some Wagyu picanha.
Yes.
Yo.
I've never had Wagyu picanha, and you can probably tell by my butchering skills, but I've done this a million times.
What are we cooking over here?
Jack Street Wagyu Picanha, score A9.
Beautiful. Good stuff, my man. Appreciate it.
So you will make everybody happy. Whoever likes a little bit rare, likes it a little bit more medium.
Oh man.
Oh man. Yeah, big boy. Oh, big girl. I'm gonna go get the rest of the stuff.
Now we got lobsters. This is crazy.
Take a picture of that dude real quick.
Guga, how do we go bigger from here next
I
time?
don't I don't know if it's possible. We're gonna try. Obviously, we'll figure something out.
There you go.
YouTube people always figure
There you
something
go.
out.
We gotta have you on the grill.
Hey man,
Oh, me on
call
the
me
grill?
back. Call me
Oh, you gotta
back.
dry age you.
What?
You got dry age Angel.
My time is coming.
There you go.
Big boy.
Yes, sir. Dude, those claws are huge.
You know, right?
Lobsters are off.
Monsters are off.
So this is the thing Tim and I have been talking about all weekend. I usually find the tallest guy in the room and we just become best friends. So Tim, the tallest guy in the room, and I are
Yeah.
Midwest buddies now.
There you go.
Get in there, camera guy. Perks of being the guy to capture all of our work right here. Let's go. There you go.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours.
Finishing touches on the hog. Mop sauce. I don't really buy rubs and sauces, but these guys right here make a killer one, man.
Jeremy, let's take some pictures with the pig.
Yeah, this is a science fair diorama right here. Jurassic Park diorama.
The cardboard bin.
Yeah, exactly.
Get another apple before right here and marry it up.
Jesus. Talking about presentation right there, man.
There you go.
I got more grapes.
Okay.
Wow. So, what do you think about this cow that we're doing,
This is
dude?
madness. This is insane. I have no words.
He did it 90% of it. 90% of it.
Man, I'm trying to do some as much as I can, man. Thanks for having me.
You the man. You the man.
What is this? Where am I cutting, Josh?
Yo, this is wild, man.
This one is everything right now. Huh? Everything's getting mixed.
Man, buddy. Mob's crazy.
Vinegar based, right?
Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah. You gotta have some skin. You know what's up, don't you, buddy? Nice. Mop. Yeah. Pretty fun though, not gonna lie.
Yes, sir. Australian Wagyu. Strip loin. Max, the meat guy right here from Connecticut, coming here and already cooking with us. Love it. I love it. What are we doing, guys? We just cooked an entire cow and a pig, and now we're doing Wagyu beef right now. What are we doing?
Excessive, maybe. Is it fun?
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
We got black truffle sea salt, black garlic seasoning, and black pepper for you to play with.
Sounds good.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, let's go black garlic. Let's do it, man. Oh, buddy.
Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
Like you've done that before, my man. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Alright, y'all. So that's it for the trip. It's 4 a.m. and I gotta head back home. But it's just super fun just being able to do something completely different I've never done before. And especially just to, again, with barbecue, just meeting different types of people. It's always a good thing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed just a little bit behind the scenes. Make sure you guys check out all these other people who are maybe got different angles of different footages. Definitely check out Guga Foods, check out Jeremy Yoder's Mad Scientist Barbecue channel, so you can guys get a different look at what happened during that weekend. I just try to capture as much as I can while trying to work as much as I can too. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I gotta get back home and get some sleep, and then gotta get ready to get back to work tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the next video.